Okay, now I know you see the title. Yes, I'm about to talk about lab-grown meat. The reason I'm about to talk about lab-grown meat is because, first of all, it's been approved in the United States. They made an article about it 5 days ago saying that the FDA as well as the USDA approved lab-grown meat. The lab-grown meat that they're referring to at this moment is chicken. Now, if you just go to Google and you type in lab-grown meat, you'll see there's like different little sections. Matter of fact, hold on. And in one of the sections, it says ingredients, and it says stem cells. Now, they say they have this picture of like a beef patty, like you would make a hamburger, and then they got somebody with a glove and a test tube with meat in it. And they're saying that this is going to be chicken, first of all, but also that the ingredients are stem cells. So really, you don't know what stem cells that they're using, first of all. Like, if you're not killing your own meat anyway, you don't know what's in the meat. I get that. I'm tracking. But they're literally letting you know. The USDA, the United States Department of Agriculture, and the Federal Department of Agriculture are letting you know that they are approving lab-grown meat. Like, it's legal. It's going to be chicken. I'm going to read you this article. Hold on. I'm going to read the whole article. But is it still going? Okay, yeah, it's still going. All right. I'm going to read you. Cultivated meat, also known as lab-grown meat, has been cleared for sale in the United States. Upside Foods and Good Meat, two companies that make what they call cultivated chicken, said Wednesday that they have gotten approval from the U.S. Department of Agriculture to start producing their cell-based proteins. Good Meat, which is owned by plant-based egg substitute maker Eat Just, said that production is starting immediately. Cultivated or lab-grown meat is grown in a giant vat, much like what you'd find at a beer brewery. So they're making this whole thing like it's just this fantastic thing that you don't have to worry about animals and grazing and what is called greenhouse gases and worrying about animal feed and a place for the animals. This is all fine because now we're going to create this meat for you with no killing required. No killing required. Okay. So let's say that you're right. No killing after the ones that you done killed. After you got these stem cells from the ones you've killed, no more killing. But eventually, even if you are getting the meat from a real animal, you if they're not killing anymore, then eventually they're gonna keep pulling from this vat of meat that they're making, which is eventually gonna be even faker than the original stem cells that they created. It's basically processed vegan food that really nobody should be eating processed food regardless of what it is. Well, that's not true because everything has a process. Scientifically processed food. If Tiamat and Soul have come together and given you vegetables and fruits, and that's processed. I get it. I'm tracking. But be wary, be aware of the fact that they making this lab-grown food, and you just pay attention because that's really what's happening out here. Like, they starting with chicken. Supposedly it's going to launch in San Francisco at this restaurant called Crin or something like that. Pay attention for real. That's all I can say. So I just want to talk about the lab-grown meat. I know they was talking about the submarine, and just look it up. It started like 5 days ago. So hey, there you go. Good luck, and pay attention to what you're putting in your body.